Most AI ops tools give you a confident answer. The danger isn't a missing answer. It's a wrong one. It's 3 a.m. A production service is failing. One wrong move, and a small outage becomes a real incident. AIOS answers with 11 specialized agents that reason together, not one prompt guessing in the dark. Using Foundry IQ, it grounds every theory in real runbooks and past incidents, and cites the evidence for each one. Then one agent argues back, an independent critic, on a different model that tries to break the theory before anyone acts on it. Nothing dangerous runs without a human, and every incident it resolves makes it smarter. That's AIOS.
I start by signing in with my admin credentials. This unlocks the full reasoning pipeline and every approval control. To begin, I trigger a real incident manually using the Run Custom Alert feature. I enter the service name, the severity, and the alert symptoms. Then I click Run Alert to set the agents in motion. The AI reasoning has begun. AIOS runs 11 specialized agents. Each agent does one focused job. The indexer uses Foundry IQ to retrieve matching runbooks and past incidents from Azure AI Search. Then safety agent blocks any unsafe command. Once the broadcaster finishes, AIOS shows the blast radius chart with the full impact diagram, alongside the proposed actions and their risk levels. Low-risk steps are pre-approved. Medium-risk steps need an engineer's approval, and high-risk steps require an SRE admins to review and execute. Now, if I spot something the agents missed, I simply add my insight into the Add Context box. And the moment I submit it, the reasoning restarts inside the same incident chain, re-evaluating every hypothesis against my input. Watch. All the agents are thinking again with my new suggestion. And once the broadcaster completes, the entire diagnostics and action plan is noticeably sharper than before. It has now pinpointed the accurate root cause and refined the fix. Today, we keep a human in the loop purely for safety. When I click Resolve Outage, the root cause and remediation steps are already pre-filled by AIOS. I simply review and confirm. Clicking Export opens a complete incident report preview, the full diagnosis, the action plan, who approved each step, the final status, and every agent, model, and token used. One click on Download Markdown saves it locally. And this Executive Summary button gives leadership a consolidated view, the status summary, the business impact, and the estimated resolution time, exactly what a manager needs to brief stakeholders in seconds. Now let me show you the assistant, grounded only on Foundry IQ and our incident database. If anyone needs to know about a past incident or a historic issue, this is where they ask. So I'll ask my question, and there it is, the answer with the source document names, the date, and an accuracy percentage. And to prove it's real, I'll show you that exact incident in the left sidebar, fully cross-verified. Now let me show one more example. The web search agent activates only when an incident scores too low against both Azure AI Search and our database. For this incident, our system has no runbook and no Foundry IQ match, so it now uses web search to gather details from across the web, then feeds them through the same agent pipeline to review and produce a grounded diagnosis. Here's the result. The incident opens in an investigating state with the evidence panel now citing live online references. It presents a tentative root cause and an action plan to diagnose and confirm it, complete with its own blast radius chart. I'll approve the diagnosis, confirm the root cause, and then resolve the outage. But first, I'll open the assistant and ask it to show me the open incidents. It searches the database and correctly returns this Kafka incident. And because we just resolved the outage, the database is already updated. The incident has moved to resolved. Thank you.